Bought a truck that needs glow plugs. Change the tune.
It's all the way down. Well, I don't know what to do. Now let you go.
Did you change the tune?
Yeah,
Where did you go with it?
all the way down.
Go all the way up.
What the fuck is that?
Battery's dead.
They got batteries dead?
Something. Bad connection. Something. Hey, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Got the old Mongo Man here on my way to town. If you look here behind us, we can see that I'm hooked to a trailer, and Kenny is behind me with Henry, and he is also hooked to a trailer. So what we got going on here is a typical Sunday right after church. KJ got a call. One of his buddies is in town and has a blown power steering pump on his Dodge, hydraulic power steering with hydro boost on the brakes means that he has no brakes either. So KJ's in town to give him a hand, and I'm going into town to pick up some parts that we purchased off of a body shop that's going out of business. There was a bunch of stuff left in an attic, and the former owner's daughter called me and said, hey, you guys interested in this stuff? And I said, well, depends on what it is. Not necessarily, but it's a good deal, so we're going to get it. You can come along with us here. I've got to get some fuel, and I think KJ is just going to head right on into town. So, all right, let's go for a ride, huh? Hey, what's up, everybody? So we got everything loaded up here in Washington. KJ and I are about ready to hit the road. But if you know anybody that has a 94 to 97 Ford Explorer and needs either a left or a right quarter panel, tell them to give the old Mongo Man a call, because I have a few of them now. All brand new Ford quarter panels for 97 through 94 Ford Explorer. I have no idea what I'm going to do with them all, but they're loaded. KJ got some stuff on his trailer too.
94 to 97?
I believe it's 94 to 97. I got the part numbers. I'll get them here in a minute. We think he's got some Ford van stuff, and I've got all the Explorer stuff on Pat's trailer. So, KJ, what are you going to do with all this stuff? I think this is how hoarding starts. All right, let's get this stuff home. Figure out what it is. All right, so we're successfully back here at the compound. KJ's getting ready to get his trailer unhooked. I'm going to get mine unhooked. I'm going to get some listings up of this stuff, and hopefully we can sell some of it and figure out what we're going to do with the rest of it. But I don't know what anybody does with 24 quarter panels for Ford Explorers, especially ones that aren't exactly a popular truck anymore. But I don't know. We'll figure something out. That's the way they're supposed to be. They don't fall off that way. KJ has a couple little things here on his trailer. An exhaust off of a Econoline van. Use that on projects. A couple things here. 95 Contour.
93 Escort front frame rail.
And a 93 Escort front frame rail. Looks like front and rear bumper off of an Econoline van, we think. All right, so here I am in the passenger seat of Casper after screwing around with this thing for the last 45 minutes trying to make it run. We think there's multiple issues, probably starting with injectors all the way up to the fact that it needs glow plugs and a whole glow plug circuit. But it is running currently. It's got a 6-position chip in it. He's got it in position 1. Position 2 is a high idle. Position 3 we think is a smoke tune. And then from there, 4, 5, and 6 is different power values. So we're gonna see where this thing takes us and what it does.
I hate these chairs.
See how it goes from here.
Single cab, 6 speed. Run through here. I think.
Something loose over here.
Yeah, happens.
Huh?
Happens. My steering's loose on the big truck. It happens. Hey, look, it's got the rainbow pedal in it.
Don't stall it. I'm not calling underneath it. That's the stock tune? Yeah. I think it needs injector. Downshifted too fast, man. 6. Yes. I just think your truck runs better.
I think this thing smokes a whole lot more.
Yeah, but your truck runs better. Your truck has more power. Remember, you don't have a plate on this thing.